I'm Jenn, Doan, sex and confidence coach, and welcome to the Biird YouTube channel. Today we're going through a step-by-step of exactly how to squirt. But before we do, you should know that people experience squirting in lots of different ways. There's no one right way to squirt, and there's no real reason to squirt at all. So if it's not working for you, that's totally okay too. Find the pathways to pleasure that work for you and forget about the rest. But if you are interested in trying it out, here is one way that people can experience squirting. Step 1, create a comfortable space. I highly suggest exploring squirting on your own before adding a partner, because this just takes the pressure off of feeling like you have to perform. So make sure that your space feels safe and comfortable and that you have enough time to fully explore. Yeah, clear my schedule. I have a plumbing appointment. Step 2, invest in a G-spot specific toy. One of the most common ways to experience squirting is through G-spot stimulation. So if you're able to, investing in a curved G-spot specific toy can help you find the G-spot more easily. My favorite is the Enjoy Pure Wand, which is a fan favorite among sex educators because it is so easy to find the G-spot with it. Number 3, don't skip the foreplay. The more turned on you are, the easier it will be to squirt. So make sure you spend enough time warming up before jumping into the main event. Step 4, find the spot. The G-spot is 3 to 4 inches inside the vaginal canal on the wall closest to your belly button. If you're using hands to try to find it, then many people find that 2 fingers and a come hither motion is most effective. If you're using a toy, you may have to shift around to find the best spot. And some people describe that feeling as a pressure or feeling like the need to pee. Some people really like this sensation and some people don't. But when you feel that feeling of pressure, that's how you know you're in the right spot. I think we took a wrong turn somewhere. Step 5, relax into the feeling. Once you find the right spot, it's time to figure out what types of stimulation you enjoy. So some people prefer a circular motion, some people like a thrusting movement. Play around and figure out what works best. When close to orgasm or squirting, many people have reported a euphoric feeling, heat in the face and chest, and feeling the need to pee. If you relax into that sensation, you may experience squirting, though letting go of that fear of peeing can be tough. So if you're having a hard time relaxing, you can lay down a towel or try squirting in the shower or bathtub. The sensation of squirting is sometimes described as a release or as no feeling at all. It also doesn't have to accompany an orgasm. It can happen during an orgasm, but it can also happen completely randomly. Try to treat this like a fun experiment and don't put too much pressure on yourself to get there. Squirting is something to try if you're curious, but it is not necessary to have a pleasurable sexual experience. And no one should ever pressure you into trying squirting if it's not something that you're interested in. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and follow us on Instagram for more sex and pleasure content, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, birdies.